Data types. Variables are one of the central concepts in computer science and one of the most important tools in a programmer's toolbox. A variable is simply a container for a value. It's like a box that holds something. In programming, variables are used to store data that can change during the execution of a program. Java is considered a strongly typed programming language. This means that the program must declare what type of data a variable will be holding before the variable can be used. Data types can be categorized as either primitive or reference. We will be discussing primitive data types in this video and reference data types in a later video. A primitive data type uses a small amount of memory to represent a single item of data or value. There are 8 primitive data types in Java: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. The Java primitive data types used in this course are int. An int data type stores a whole number, which can be positive, negative, or 0. Double. A double data type stores a floating point number, which can be positive, negative, or 0. Boolean. A Boolean data type stores either true or false. Each variable has an associated memory location that is used to hold its value. Designating a data type associated with the variable allocates a certain amount of storage space in memory for the value, as shown in this chart. In order to create a variable to use in a Java program, the program must declare the variable by indicating the data type and the identifier or name, and assigning a value to the variable. The variable identifiers in these examples are sum, average, and yes. These can be used and referenced later in the program. Assigning a value to a variable is called initialization. There are times in a program in which the value of the variable should not change. The Java keyword final is used to indicate that the value of the variable cannot be changed once it is initially assigned. This type of variable is often called a constant, meaning the value does not change. An example would be using a final variable for the value of pi. To recap data types, a variable is a container that holds a value. In Java, you must declare what type of data a variable will be storing. Data types can be categorized as either primitive or reference. A primitive data type uses a small amount of memory to represent a single item of data or value. The Java primitive data types used in this course are int, double, and boolean. In a Java program, you must create a variable by indicating the data type, the identifier or name of the variable, and assign a value to the variable. A final variable, also called a constant, cannot have its value changed.